Viewers, I hope you are all fine. This ultrasound video shows twins with one fetal encephaly. A 31 years old pregnant woman with two children already visited for scan at 23 weeks. The lady was properly explained and briefed about the scan, but she was very uncomfortable and uneasy and kept on moving her head regularly. So the scan was done under slightly stressful condition. Anyhow, abdominal 2D ultrasound revealed the first twin was within the normal ranges for the gestation age, but the second twin showed anencephaly. There were two placentae and amniotic, and the membrane separated the two fetuses, and both were female. Umbilical cord entanglement was not observed. You can see the fetus 1 lying caudally inferiorly with breech presentation, the lias transverse, the fetus has normal fetal movements, cardiac activity is visible. This is the fetus 1, that is a normal fetus. Now you can see this is the fetus 1 and the other fetus lying superiorly showed anencephaly. Anencephaly is the absence of large part of brain and skull. This is a normal fetal ultrasound performed at 23 weeks of gestation. The development of the brain and nervous system begins early in fetal development. Anencephaly is one of the most common neural tube defects. Neural tube defects are birth defects that affect the tissue that becomes the spinal cord and brain. Now you can see the fetus, second fetus lying superiorly, and both the heads of the fetus head are lying in close to each other. Now you can see the fetal cardiac activity and movements of the second fetus, fetus 2. And anencephaly occurs early in the development of the unborn baby. Is results when the upper part of the neural tube fails to close. The exact cause is not known. Possible causes of anencephaly include environmental toxins, low intake of folic acid by the mother during pregnancy. Now you can see the fetal head of the anencephaly fetus. In nearly all fetuses with anencephaly, the movements are qualitatively abnormal. They are forceful, jerky in character, and are of large amplitude. You can see this. Both the fetuses are females. Anencephaly is a lethal diagnosis incompatible with sustained life. It has been understood that if an anencephalic infant is live born, demise will soon be imminent. Now you can see the anencephalic head. The skull vault is missing, but eyes are prominent, seen on the frontal bone. Several studies have reported anencephaly to be 100% lethal in the first year of life. Anencephaly is a lethal condition anomaly, congenital anomaly that can be detected on ultrasound as early as 11 weeks of gestation. If some amount of neural tissue is present, the condition is termed exencephaly. Polyhydramnios is usually associated with neural tube defects. No treatment option is available for anencephaly. Now you can see again the fetal head of the normal fetus and the anencephalic head. You can see both the eyes, prominent eyes of the fetus. This is the head of the anencephalic fetus. Anencephaly can theoretically be diagnosed as early as 8 weeks. However, it can be missed in the first trimester. There is 100% accuracy in the second trimester for this anomaly. Anomaly by ultrasound, one study shows sonography alone was 97% sensitive and 100% specific in diagnosing an open neural tube defect. Again, you can see the fetal head of the anencephaly fetus. Lying close to the head of the normal fetus. By ultrasound, the appearance will resemble Mickey Mouse ears. Additionally, measurement from the top of the head to crown rump length of the fetus is significantly reduced in affected fetuses in the first trimester. One of those fetuses with anencephaly, a small portion will die while still in the uterus. Intrauterine fetal demise or stillbirth, approximately 25% will have excessive amniotic fluid around the fetus. Polyhydramnios may cause extra stretching of the uterus, resulting in preterm contractions. You can find some important information in the description of this video. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel. If you do like this video, please click the like button. Thanks.